If Google Meet is showing you an error message, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. Whether Meet is not loading, the call won't connect, your camera or microphone isn't working, or you keep seeing a random error screen, these troubleshooting methods can help you get back into your meeting fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. First, let's check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons Google Meet throws an error message. Try opening another website or app to see if the internet is working properly. If your connection feels slow, restart your Wi-Fi router or switch to a different network if possible. You can also try turning Wi-Fi off and back on again, or using mobile data temporarily just to test whether the problem is your network. If Google Meet works on another connection, then you know the issue is with your internet, not the app itself. Next, restart your device. This may sound simple, but it solves a surprising number of Google Meet problems. If you're on a phone, fully power it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. If you're on a computer, restart the system completely, not just the browser. Restarting clears temporary glitches, refreshes background processes, and can fix bugs that are causing the Meet error message. Once your device comes back on, open Google Meet again, and test whether the issue is gone. Now let's check permissions, because Google Meet needs access to your microphone and camera in order to work properly. If permissions are blocked, Meet may show an error, or it may let you join but not hear or see anything. On your browser or app, open the settings and make sure microphone and camera access are enabled. If you're using Chrome or another browser, click the lock icon near the address bar and confirm that mic and camera permissions are allowed for meet.google.com. On a phone, go into your device settings, find the Google Meet app, and make sure it has permission to use the microphone, camera, and sometimes even local network access if required. After changing permissions, refresh the page or reopen the app and test again. If the error message is still there, the next step is to clear old data. Over time, browser cache files or app storage data can become corrupted and interfere with Google Meet loading correctly. If you're using a browser, go to the browser settings and clear cached files and cookies, especially for Google-related sites. If you're using the app on a mobile device, go into app settings and clear the app's storage or cache data. Don't worry, this usually just removes temporary files and forces the app to load fresh information. After clearing the data, sign in again if needed and try joining the meeting one more time. Another common cause is browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or VPN extensions, can interfere with Google Meet and trigger error messages. If you have extensions installed, try disabling them one by one, starting with anything that affects browsing, security, or network traffic. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily and test Google Meet again. In many cases, Meet works immediately once the extension or VPN is disabled. If it does, you'll know exactly what was causing the issue. At this point, if Google Meet is still giving you trouble, go back and test the basics again: stable internet, a fresh device restart, correct permissions, cleared cache, and disabled extensions. Those 5 steps solve most Google Meet error messages without needing anything more advanced. And if you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe, because I post simple, step-by-step fixes that save you time and frustration. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who keeps running into Google Meet problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.